Hi MasterStudy LMS users, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we've got an exciting topic for you. We'll be showing you how to seamlessly import courses into MasterStudy LMS from CSV or XLSX templates. The new version of MasterStudy LMS Course Importer now imports sections and shortcodes and assigns lessons to the course. Once you install our premium plugin, go to the Course Importer page. This is where the magic happens. Now, first step is to download an open template as per your preferable format like CSV or XLSX. In this new update, we have added a lesson source column to update lesson video type source. Next, we need to fill your downloaded template as per instructions that we have provided. Fill course title, content, category, featured image ID, views, level, students, durations, video duration, excerpts, one-time purchase, price, sale price, announcement. Fill sections and lesson title in these columns. Now, fill lesson featured image ID. For lesson type, fill either video or text. In the video lesson source column, you can fill HTML, YouTube, Vimeo. For external links, fill ext_link, embed in shortcode. Fill lesson duration, front-end description. Note that, fill the lesson video poster image ID column only for lesson source HTML and ext_link. Fill lesson video URL or shortcode. Fill the lesson material ID and status in these columns. Save your template. That's it. To start, click on the Choose File button to select the CSV or XLSX template file you want to import. Great! You've selected your file. Now, click Upload File. Now, it's time to bring your courses into MasterStudy LMS. Click on Proceed Course Import. Depending on the number of courses and your server's performance, this might take a moment. And there you have it. Your courses have been successfully imported into MasterStudy LMS. Take a moment to review your courses and ensure all the details are correct. That's it. You've just learned how to import courses in MasterStudy LMS from CSV or XLSX templates. It's a powerful feature that can save you loads of time when setting up your e-learning platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more MasterStudy LMS tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.